You know, when you wake up in the middle of the night and using breath appropriately, because you have all kinds of different ways of using breath and knowing, and I used it, I tried it. I woke up in the morning. I know I usually get up around 3 and kind of, you know, think a little bit, go to the bathroom, come back, as we all do probably. But then I was thinking, I thought, you know what, I'm going to do what Ed said. So I took my nostril, I went up and I breathed up my left nostril. I held it for a minute, breathed down here, let it go down here, and then breathe there, held it for 2 minutes, seconds rather. No. Do you know, I fell asleep, like boom. So, and I know I called you and I told you that, but I want to talk about that a little bit, because a lot of us have trouble sleeping. I don't have trouble sleeping, but a lot of us really do have a lot of trouble. I thought it was amazing.
So just a little backdrop of how that occurs. The right nostril on the inhale is sympathetic. It's heating. The left nostril on the inhale is parasympathetic. It's cooling. It's our air conditioner. And when we can regulate how the breath is coming up into the brain, we can activate our autonomic nervous system. So most of the time when folks wake up in the middle of the night, all that's happening is their right nostril is more open than their left. It's triggering their left prefrontal cortex, and there's all sorts of thoughts and run-on sentences and fear and, you know, nothing about falling back asleep. There's a lot of high-edge energy there. So if we can channel how that energy moves into the brain, we can fall back asleep in about 5 breaths. So we take away that sympathetic cortisol adrenaline energy from the brain. The heart rate and blood pressure will come down. The serotonin, the dopamine, the relaxation, the GABA energy will come up. So a simple technique to fall back asleep if you've awakened in the middle of the night is just take your right thumb, close off your right nostril, and you want to inhale silky smooth as you can, up the left nasal channel, and you'll trace that energy into your right frontal lobe. And then you'll close off the left nostril, and you'll expel the waste slowly out the right nasal channel. And then you close off the right, open the left. Inhale up the left. And when the inhale is complete, you pause, you set your intention to fall back asleep, you close off the left, you release the thumb, and you exhale down the right. One more. Close off the right, open the left, inhale up the left nostril into the right frontal lobe, close off, release, exhale slowly out the right to completion. Bring your hand down, breathe through both nostrils, and you'll feel a parasympathetic or a relaxation response. And in a matter of 3 or 4 more breaths, you'll fall right back into unconscious sleep.